The 5 best exercises you should do daily backed by science. Most people think they need a complicated workout plan to stay healthy. Something structured, intense, maybe even exhausting. They imagine long hours in the gym, complex routines, or constantly changing exercises just to keep up with progress. But when you step back and look at how the human body actually responds to movement, a very different picture starts to appear. The body doesn't necessarily reward complexity. It responds to consistency, balance, and movements that feel natural. In fact, some of the most effective exercises are not the newest ones or the most intense ones, but the simplest ones that activate multiple systems in the body at the same time. And when these movements are repeated regularly, they create something powerful over time. Not just strength, but stability, coordination, endurance, and a sense of physical control that carries into everyday life. So instead of asking what the most advanced workout is, a better question might be this: what are the few essential movements that give the most benefit when done consistently? Let's take a closer look at 5 of them. Before we start, quick question. Do you actually have a daily exercise routine, or is it something you keep putting off? Be honest. Let me know in the comments, yes or no. And if you're interested in simple, science-based ways to stay active without overcomplicating things, make sure to like the video. Now let's break this down. 1. Squats, a fundamental human movement. Long before modern fitness culture existed, humans were already squatting. It is one of the most basic and natural movements built into the human body. Every time you sit down and stand back up, you are performing a variation of a squat. But when done with intention and control, this simple movement becomes one of the most effective full-body exercises available. Squats primarily engage the lower body, including the thighs and hips, but they also involve the core to maintain balance and posture. This combination makes them extremely efficient. Instead of targeting a single muscle group, squats encourage coordination between different parts of the body. Over time, this leads to improved balance, smoother movement patterns, and increased confidence in everyday physical actions. People who regularly perform squats often notice that simple activities like walking upstairs, getting out of a chair, or even maintaining posture throughout the day begin to feel easier. It is not because the movement itself is complicated. It is because the body recognizes it as something natural and adapts quickly. 2. Push-ups, strength that transfers to real life. Push-ups are often underestimated because they look simple. But simplicity does not mean lack of effectiveness. In reality, push-ups are one of the most efficient ways to train the upper body while also engaging the core. When you perform a push-up, your chest, shoulders, and arms work together, while your core stabilizes your body in a straight line. This creates a coordinated movement rather than isolated muscle activation. And that coordination is important, because in real life, your body rarely uses one muscle at a time. It moves as a system, pushing a door, lifting objects, supporting your weight. These actions rely on similar patterns. Push-ups train those patterns directly. Another advantage is adaptability. Push-ups can be modified easily depending on your level. You can change the angle, reduce the range of motion, or slow down the movement. This makes them accessible to beginners while still challenging for more advanced individuals. 3. Walking, the most overlooked form of movement. Walking is one of the most natural forms of movement available to humans. It requires no equipment, no special training, and no complicated setup. And yet, it is often overlooked because it does not feel intense. But intensity is not always what the body needs. Walking supports circulation, helps maintain energy levels, and keeps the body active without placing excessive stress on the system. It is also one of the few forms of movement that can be sustained daily without requiring significant recovery. This makes it incredibly valuable over the long term. Beyond the physical effects, walking also creates a different kind of mental environment. Many people notice that their thoughts become clearer during a walk. Ideas flow more easily. Stress feels slightly reduced. This combination of physical and mental benefit is one of the reasons walking remains consistently recommended across many health discussions. It may not feel powerful in a single session, but over weeks and months, its impact becomes noticeable. 4. Plank, building strength through stability. The plank is different from most exercises. There is no visible movement. You are not lifting, pushing, or pulling. You are holding a position, and yet this stillness creates a unique kind of challenge inside the body. The core muscles activate to stabilize the spine. The shoulders and legs engage to maintain alignment, and the entire body works together to resist gravity. This builds what is known as stability, not explosive strength but controlled strength. The ability to maintain position and resist unwanted movement. This type of strength plays an important role in daily life. Whether you are sitting, standing, or moving, your body relies on stability to maintain proper alignment and reduce unnecessary strain. The plank trains this system quietly but effectively. 5. Stretching, supporting movement through flexibility. While many people focus on strength and movement, flexibility is often ignored. But it plays an important role in how the body feels and functions. Stretching allows muscles to move through a more comfortable range of motion. It helps reduce stiffness that can build up from daily habits like sitting or repetitive movements. It also supports smoother transitions between activity and rest. When the body is flexible, movements tend to feel lighter and more natural. Some people notice that even a short stretching routine can change how their body feels throughout the day. Not dramatically, but gradually. And those gradual improvements can make a noticeable difference over time. Why these 5 exercises work together. Each of these exercises focuses on a different aspect of movement. Squats develop lower body strength and coordination. Push-ups build upper body strength and integration. Walking supports overall activity and endurance. Planks improve stability and control. Stretching maintains flexibility and comfort. But together they create a balanced approach to movement. Not extreme, not overwhelming, but sustainable. And sustainability is what leads to long-term results. More practical approach to exercise. Many people believe that progress comes from intensity. Harder workouts, more effort, more strain, but the body often responds more effectively to consistency. Small actions repeated regularly tend to create stronger and more lasting changes than occasional intense effort. This is why simple routines are often more successful in the long run. They are easier to maintain, they fit into daily life, and they reduce the resistance that often comes with complex plans. Exercise does not need to feel like a burden. It can become part of a rhythm, something that supports your day rather than disrupts it. Your body does not require perfection. It responds to regular, intentional movement. And sometimes the most effective strategy is not to do more, but to do the right things consistently. Because over time, consistency shapes the body far more than intensity ever will. Now I'm curious again. Which of these exercises are you actually going to start doing from today? Pick at least one and commit to it, even if it's just a few minutes. Let me know in the comments. Disclaimer: this content is for general educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Individual fitness levels and health conditions vary. Consult a qualified professional before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have existing health concerns. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who might need a simple way to stay active. Because sometimes, the smallest habits can make the biggest difference.